Going to the Champagne Falls right now. So you see? Yeah. Cleaning the track. Cleaning the track to go Champagne Falls. Right? Yeah, that is Culture P. We're going to Champagne Falls. It's a beautiful place. It's a very beautiful place. Yeah. You see? It's very nice. Look at it. Very nice. Very nice place. Watch there, look at the views. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, that's how the culture, natural culture, you know? That's Culture P.
So the umbrella drop out.
Yeah, up there, so I see it, man, then I pass up there, so. You know where they. Going to Champagne Falls. Champagne Villa. We're going to Champagne Falls. Yeah. Yeah, so we do it. We're going to Champagne Falls. We're at Champagne Villa. Okay, so we do it. Yeah.
All of them places on the coast.
Yeah. See it? The tree fall. See that? Yeah, the tree fall. Tree fall. And the villa. Yeah. See that? Tree chop down. Tree fall down. Yeah. This terrible hurricane blowing on the tree. Look at this place. You see that? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, look at the place. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. So the river. You hear? It's beautiful. Tree falls, the tree falls, the tree falls. Yeah. All the tree fall. See there? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you see this hill? I'm on the video for two in this hill. Yeah. Yeah, you have to skill, you know, you have to skill. Yeah. So you do it, you know, we're setting up the pillar. Yeah. So you do it. Where's the pipe now? Where the pipe is? Okay. Yeah, can you want to say and see the pipe? Yeah, see the pipe there? Pipe break off. See the pipe there? Pipe broke. We are in the river now. You see that? We're in the river. Yeah, it's called Chippy. The water is very cool.
Come over here so now you can see the part.
Yeah.
Go right up there. You see all of them something here? Go and tell them you can get out of the video.
Look, you see that? All of these things drop down.
Show the pipe that's up, pull off.
See the pipe pull off?
Yeah. And show the back one.
So the back one there?
Yeah. Show that piece over there. So.
Yeah, and the piece there. So the pipe pull off. You see it? Yeah. There's the pipe pull off. Yeah. You see the falls there? And inside. Oh, we go top of the fall. We can't reach up. We have to fuck inside it. We run stuff one time. We couldn't come down to go up the fall. We can't reach up. We can't climb. No, sir? We can't climb.
Oh, I'm boat there. I'll still up there.
Yeah.
I'll be my right.
But these are through the Gilbert, it's calm.
Alright, that's when I leave each other day, man. January, man.
Yeah?
No, I did everything before.
Oh.
Yeah, it's also reach. Yeah, come here to
take on yourself.
That falls are the first fall.
First fall is this. This one?
Yeah.
The one that was there?
Yeah, this.
You want next one over here?
Yeah. See how many something look on the photo. I thought the same one reach them.
Oh.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it's like that.
Therefore, it is a wound to come here, so then we'd have go up on the hill. How many of them came out, you only have to come back the tile on it? Yeah. I can't go, sir. You have to sit there, man. Can't find a hill you have to walk on. You walk on the hill and go through, so and go through right on. But when we come a while ago, we shouldn't go, so. We want to go by Enterprise Falls. Shouldn't come down. Oh. So I come down so far. Where do you walk in the water? No, I'm sure I walk back up so. If you go, you can go so. No, yes, sir.
I live when I do, clear somewhere. So you can walk instead of going on the water. I like to do that.
Yeah, up so. Right there, this one. We should come off of this one. Look, by the top side. We should just go across this one. I'm going near to the falls. Because we have to go walk in the water if we walk here, so. Alright, don't worry, I'm going near to the falls. See? Okay, everyone, we come with our boots. Yeah? Jesus Christ Almighty. Jesus Christ. Well, I have to go. See that? It's a stream. Go right up. I'm in the stream now. See the pipe here? Black up, a lot of tree drop on the pipe. Yeah. Yeah. That's the part that I've crossed. And the pipe is up on there. And it's here. So that's the part that I crossed. Yeah. I did pause the video to show you all the damage. Because I have to pause the video to cross. Yeah, see what the pipe coming from there? Right through that hill. And come down there. See the pipe there? Broken. Broke off. Yeah? That's where we reached the other day. See? Pipe. Broken. That's where we did stop the other day. So I video from down there. Come right up back here. Come right there. You see? See the pipe here? See where the pipe goes. We have 3 drops on the pipe. See the pipe there? Yeah. That's where the pipe walk. Right there. Come back right there. And go down there. So all damage. See that? That's a stream. See all the trees damaged on the hillside. Fall down in the stream. Cha. That's where, yeah. Pipe there. Yeah. See where the pipe is. The hillside damage. See the stream back again, going up to the falls. So the pipe there break off. Pipe break off from here. See there? Break off. See where the pipe goes. Break off. That's where we come the other day. See it? The tree keep falling out. Watch. This tree fall the other day. Wow. This tree fall the other day. Wow. This is one of the boundary.
See that? Man, this is catch. That's what them plant.
Yeah, that's what them plant.
Severe
in too lot.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So.
No.
Alright.
See Rasta there?
Yeah.
Culture P.
Yeah, man, they fuck up all of them things to get a crop.
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
All of these things. Could you see it? The river stream that says black.
No joke,
We have to walk on all those things. See there? Right here, all the trash off of the hill come down. The river stream.
They climb on the next hill.
Yeah. See there, up on the hill. See?
Next side of the hill we have to climb.
On the next side of the hill. See there?
Come on, no joke business.
Big up Black Champagne. Champagne Villa over there, you know. Alright, you want to see the river now? See the river there.
No,
We're going. Yeah, man, we're going right over there, man.
Alright, so we get to the walk here now.
Yeah.
Yeah, see. You see my like in the river?
Yeah, man. You catch it. See all of the maras, all of the leaf.
Yeah.
Come down in the river.
Pipe broke off from there.
So the pipe broke off from there.
Yes,
We're going there, we're going there. Don't worry.
yeah, we're going right to the park. Go right down in the park and like here.
See there? Let me see. Yeah, so. Oh, yeah, you see these times rainfall is a slippery place. I have watched stone, you know, because stone rock off through there. You know.
Take your time with it.
Roll this way.
Right now the blue wall right. You see that?
Yeah.
See them all of that. That's the one.
Yeah, Champagne, see it? I'm in the river, watch here. Yeah, I'm going right up to the falls. You know I'm going there too, you know?
Come on. You want to see all of them?
See the pipe here? See where the pipe broke off? You see?
All of these things are there, sir.
You see? Yeah, I have to call that stream here, sir.
That stone you want to come out.
Big stone here.
Like a big pool.
Yeah. Black up.
You will drop down. Yeah, drop down.
See the next big tree that fall in it? Yeah. All the tree fall in. Yes, I Champagne without the falls. See the pipe where the pipe broke off? See there? Yeah. That's the pipe.
Yeah, go on top right. Go on top right.
Alright, see the falls here. See it here? Show you the beautiful falls. Okay, I can find. Wow! This is beautiful. You know, so on the falls, you know, so on the falls, see there? Yeah. Beautiful Champagne. See there? Wow. Look at the hillside. Whoa. Wow, look at the falls. Surely but rich. I mean, culture P there, so I have to feed them too. Yeah. I culture P do the work, you know. There, Black Champagne, look up yourself. Champagne Villa, beautiful falls. See? Yeah. Yeah. Champagne Falls, Black Champagne, Jamaica Black Life, Champagne Villa within a Champagne Falls. Yeah. And the culture P there, and the warrior there. Yeah. Well, Chappie there. See there? I want to come and pop off right there. See it come from here? See there? That's the end of the water pipe. See there? The end of the water pipe. You go right there. And it pop off right here. That's where.
Big pool. Yeah. See you drop down like out across here and you get that pool up this far. Next big pool. Right there. You know? The whole part of that you need to clear. You need to clear. This is your place, you know? Right? You clear? That's your place.
Yeah man, Champagne Villa.
Champagne Falls, yeah man.
Champagne Villa.
Officer,
Right.
right up into the mountain. Officer, yeah man.
We're going to the next falls now. Going to the top of the falls now, okay? That's the best of Champagne. Official. 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 See it? Official. Oh, me never bless the water. Oh, official. Official. Guess me I bless the water. Official. Official. Yeah? I bless the water. Official. See me I touch the river the Champagne. Official. Official. Lots here, ja. That's the fire. Emperor Selassie. Live and reign over everything. Yes, Aya. Yes, the warrior there, right at the fire. Joe! Rastafari. 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 Alright, we're going to the next falls, you know. Bless up Champagne. See there, we bless up water. I'm gonna pause a little, that's where stop. See there? See there, Champagne? This is on top of the falls then. See there? A lot of trees drop down. Go back up there. Go back down there. You see? Give me a pass. Yeah. So
video all of them video.
yeah, tree broke down there.
Here Champagne people again. Come out of the field, you up the fire from somebody.
Where fall them from? This is on top of the two falls there. Down in the river. Yeah? You see it? See champagne, you see it? You see that? Solid tree breakdown right here over my head. You see, I'm going top side up the two falls. I'm gonna look what's going on around there. You see me? Yeah. See it up there? That's where the water coming from. You see? See it right up there? You see that? Yeah. You see that? Yeah. That's where the water coming from. Back over there. So all these trees stay down, watch. See? Yeah. Bamboo. All these trees. Tear down. You see that? Yeah. See there? See there? See there? I'm up the top side of the two falls. I'm going a little bit further. Yeah. Yeah, you see that? Pretty bamboo. That's where the water coming from. Yeah. You see that? Wow. Slidey. I fall in the water a while ago. I fall, you know. It's a bamboo tear down. You see the river is slidey. That's where all the rocks, you see that? That's where the water coming from. Right up there, top side of two falls. That's where the water coming from. I'm way at the top, after the top of the two falls. So I'm going to go back down now. You see that? See there? That's where the water starting from, coming down the stream. So all of this stream I want to clean up. Right here. Not too far, just from here. Go down. See that? Yeah. See that, the river black? Right there. Where I'm coming from. See, I'm sliding. I'm going from way at the top. Way at the top I'm coming from. See that? I'm coming from the top. Up there nice. Up there nice. Up there now whole heap of damage. I just right I can up there so one bamboo tree. Just some little bamboo tree. Yeah, enough. Up there pretty. Up there nice is just some little long bamboo tree drop down. You couldn't go further, but tree bamboo them sharp. Up there nice one. So I'm going down now, you know. You can't leave the cutlass, you're coming back this side, right?
Yeah?
You're coming back this side. I'll give you the cutlass. Yeah, up the down there you're going now.
Yeah, but we can't turn back.
Yeah, give me the cutlass. Yeah, you can't tell me what. But maybe we should better pass down there. Yeah, I'm coming up, I'm not have a video. I'm coming from up there. So I'm going back right down now. See that? Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming from right up there. Yeah. Let me chop off now and I deep hold up there. Yeah, my phone on my left foot. Now I'm going to set up my clothes and done. I can't escape this. Now I'm going to set up my pants and done. Because the rocks are sliding. Wow! Wow! No, wow! How are we going to get around this? No, sir, I can't get around that. Huh? Wow, wow. That's a deep. Deep.
Yeah, but try maybe go to the hill so. Walk on the other side.
Yeah, it's very deep. Can't go through it.
There's nowhere to walk.
Nowhere to walk. I can't give a drop down in the sauce. Come on, crack cut me a sauce. Come a slide off on my foot.
That's a deep man, you're not too no far that.
Yeah man, that
You see all of them are debris, I go come out of there.
yeah.
All of them are debris.
You see that champagne with the top side, the falls them. See where falls the other one there falls in?
Yeah, down the top.
Yeah, that one there. So, we'd have to go this and come
Yeah,
down.
we climb through the hill and go on. And turn off that time to go. We can't go far.
Alright, see there, I'll be there to show him for you. See another small falls there. Yeah, that is it.
This is like a big pool, man.
Yeah, it's like a big pool. You see it, pretty?
Yeah, so it's a lovely slider.
Yes, lovely slider. See there? Slide and you go back up there. Right up there, you see it? It's beautiful.
The next thing again, so the water comes and people down the side of the water, so not swimming and not going from.
No.
No.
Alright, watch it. See there now we have to go over that hill now. We try to see if we can reach to the next fall. So, that is it. Video up here, wicked.
Clean?
It's me, bossy, God. Not Uncle Jesus gone alone clean, so. See there? What you say now? I go in the kitchen there, boss?
Man, veggie pasta come up, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, veggie pasta, is it? Naturally. Ready, man, ready up. You see that? Yeah, man.
God, look. See?
Veggie pasta and that, you know?
We're up on the farm again, you know that. We are sure that. Black Champion Villa, you see it? Active every day. Active, fully active.
Not joke business.
Think of plating. Fully active. So we do it.
Yeah. Official, you know?
Official. See it there? Official. Watch it. See the view there again? See it pretty?
Thank you for a nice view. You can get all them house,
Jew plum tree. Cane again, you see everything I get pretty. That's how the farm looking pretty. Be a planting, shooting, coconut tree. Everything is going up. Mango tree, cherry tree, lime tree, orange tree. Every tree is here. Walking and showing you. Everything. Look at the houses on the hill. You see the houses on the hill? Yeah. That's the houses on the hill.
Zoom up on it, you see.
See the houses on the hill? See that? See the houses on the hill? Yeah. That's the houses on the hill. You see, I'll zoom up the mountain. Yeah. Watch. You see that? You see all the houses? I zoom up all the houses. See that? All the houses I zoom up. You see that? I zoom up all the houses. You see that? You see? Yeah, it's on top of the hill. See the farm? Pretty. See it cleaning up, we're cleaning up the farm. Right here, we're cleaning up, you see? We're cleaning up the farm. Weeding up the farm, you see? Everywhere, work is everywhere, we're doing. You see that? Yeah. Black Champion Villa. Every time. Look at the planting trees, they are beautiful. Catching very beautiful. Yeah. So do it. Bamboos. Very nice bamboo. You want me to zoom in the bamboo? You see that? It's very nice. This is coconut tree. This is a big coconut tree. You want to see the coconut? Yeah. See this coconut there? Want me to zoom in the coconuts? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, watch a beautiful sky. Wow.
Dinner time, see you, video.